Hello friends, what if I tell you now you can use AI features in WhatsApp? Yes, WhatsApp has introduced one AI bot with the help of which you can do lot of tasks. You can translate any messages to any languages and you can also transcribe any voice messages to text. In this video, we will show you how you can send any voice messages to this bot and this bot will help you to transcribe that voice message into text message. To learn more, watch this video till the end. If you first time visit this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's start. So I have already recorded a message and sent it to myself.
Unlabel in list.
Let me play the
Definition
message.
of market. You play button.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
So this is the message which I have recorded and sent to myself. Now I'm selecting this message
Play U009. Forward.
and click on forward.
Python program. Naveen. Sakthik Priyan.
Now
AI
let
developer.
me
Entrepreneurs
search
of
this.
Transcribe me. Soy transcribe
Transcribe
me.
me. So I'm selecting this and
1 minute 44. Send button. Window
and
WhatsApp.
click on send button. Let's see what
WhatsApp.
will happen.
0 seconds elapsed. Slider in list. 18
So I've
items.
sent
U.
this voice
Audio
message.
message.
See.
0 U. Text message with buttons. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. 8:57 p.m.
Right? So Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. So it is easily transcribed my message, right? So
U. Audio
now
009.
some buttons are also there. Let's see what are the buttons.
Text message with buttons. Menu button.
Click on menu button.
Emoji. Menu. 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 Image.
See
Menu. 8:57 p. Information. Settings. Button.
settings,
Information. Button.
information.
Emoji.
Okay,
My plan. Button.
my plan.
Text message with buttons. My settings.
So let's click on settings.
Settings.
Now it will give you another
Change my plan. Button. Support. Button. Translation language. Button.
translation language. So I'm just sending
Translation
this.
language.
Now see, it is like chat, but the buttons will appear. You just need to double tap on that and that prompt will send to the bot and the bot will work based on the prompt.
In addition to transcribing, would you like to translate the content of the audios? If so, please choose a language from the following list.
Okay,
Languages.
so after transcribing, that message will be translated into your favorite language.
Emoji. Languages. In list.
So
Close.
I can choose.
Arab. 8 of 9. German.
See.
Catalan. Italian. French.
These
Portuguese.
are languages available.
Catalan. German. Arab. Automatic. Expanded. Stop recording. Image. German. French. English. Spanish. Close. Languages. Close. Spanish. English. 2 of 9.
So I'm selecting English.
German. 7 of 9. What? Translation language. 8:58 p.m. Transcribe me. Choose one of the following options. 8:58 p.m. In addition to transcribing, would you like to translate the content of the audios? If so, please choose a language from the following list.
Okay, so few languages are available. So I think in future more languages will come. But it is a great tool or it is a great AI bot which you can use with your WhatsApp. Now how you can also use this bot? To use this bot, visit our WhatsApp channel. There we have shared the number. You just need to save that number or you can just need to contact with this number or send hi on WhatsApp to that number and you can start using this bot. But friends, this bot is not free. You will get a 3 days free trial. After that, you may purchase this bot. Still, you can enjoy it for 3 days absolutely free of cost. So try it now. I hope in future more bots and similar bots will come and also some free versions or some free options also will be available. That's it guys for the day. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your community. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to to get more interesting content like this for free. If you are watching videos in Hindi, so don't forget to subscribe to our Hindi channel. The link is given in the video description box as well as at the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.